Welcome to the Imperial Wealth Cryptocurrency Masterclass Series. My name is Will Wright. I'm the co-founder of Imperial Wealth and Mining Store, and I've been in the cryptocurrency industry for over 10 years now. In that time, I've progressed from being a humble Bitcoin miner on my desktop computer to setting up facilities all around the world where we're now hosting over 3,000 ASIC miners, both for our company and for our clients. I've also set up a diversified cryptocurrency portfolio where I'm investing into major coins as well as altcoins. And I've heavily taken advantage of the world of DeFi, where I've done things like yield farming, airdrop farming, and so much more that the world of DeFi has to offer. I've even dabbled in the world of NFTs back in 2020 and 2021. However, haven't really touched it since the late years of 2021. And finally, I've also taken advantage of leverage trading to make sure that we're benefiting from the short-term price action of cryptocurrency. In this masterclass series, I'm looking to open your eyes to the world of cryptocurrency that exists today. Whether you're someone who's never invested into cryptocurrency at all, or you already own some Bitcoin and Ethereum and potentially some altcoins, it doesn't matter. This series is not only going to teach you what's available, but I'm also going to be doing live demonstrations as well as providing guides to you on exactly how to set everything up. That's going to go from the basics of setting up wallets and exchanges to more advanced things like taking advantage of yield farming and so much more in the cryptocurrency industry. This masterclass series is going to be focused on the world of trading and DeFi. The first part of this masterclass series is going to be about buying your first Bitcoin and Ethereum and then expanding your portfolio into altcoins. The second part of this masterclass series is going to be on the world of DeFi and how you can take advantage of things like yield farming and airdrop farming. The last part of this masterclass series is going to be on day trading and teaching you how you can not only benefit from holding cryptocurrency in the long term, but how you can benefit from the short-term price action that is occurring every single day. Please understand that at any point in this masterclass series that you have any further questions, you can actually take advantage of our obligation-free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts. This is exactly where all of our clients have started with us. We have over 700 clients now, and all of them started by booking in a call and speaking with one of our experts.